video will demonstrate the value of non-destructive editing of a photo by using two different methods. The first method we'll explore is the use of adjustment layers. You could create an adjustment layer by going to the Layers panel, click on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the panel. It's the one that looks like a half moon. Once an option is selected, in this case I'll choose Hue Saturation, a new layer will appear and is indicated by this icon on the left side of the layer. Now go to the Properties panel in order to make any adjustments that you want to make. Let's increase the saturation on this photo. Notice that in the Layers panel, the original photo and its current state have been preserved. You could see this by deselecting the visibility of the adjustment layer. Keep in mind that you can add as many adjustment layers as you want and apply them to the photo. The next method of editing an image non-destructively is by converting the image into a smart object. You can consider a smart object as a container that holds and protects the photo from any distortion when the image is transformed. Here is an image of a fierce-looking chihuahua. Create a new layer and copy the first image and paste it on the new layer. With the first image, convert to a smart object by either going to the Layer menu, select Smart Objects, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Or you could right-click on a PC or Option-click on a Mac on the layer and call up an Options menu and choose Convert to Smart Objects. Now select both layers in the Layer panel and click Command-T in order to transform and scale down the two images. I'm making them very small and will apply the transformation by clicking either the Enter key or the Return key. Now I will scale them back up to their original size and double-click on the images to set the transformation. Notice how the first image that was converted to a smart object looks the same before being scaled down, while the other image that was not converted has a poor resolution because it was scaled down and Photoshop removed many of the pixels in order to accommodate the smaller size. When it was scaled back to its original size, those pixels were never maintained.